SOP1, this experiment is based on Audacity software. The procedure of the software says that a student has to record 10 different sound effects and use it in a practical. So what exactly we are going to do in this experiment? Students are supposed to record these 7 to 8 different sounds at the different location using any software app or Android app using a mobile, and they have to use it in a practical. So in a practical, in a journal, they have to mention that what is the purpose of these sound effects. Now, considering the lockdown situation, I do not recommend any of the student to go out at the different places and record these sound. Temporarily, what you can do is simply use all the internet files. You can go online and search for these effects and you can download it. Now, there are a number of ways downloading these files. I have already downloaded all these files in a folder, and I will provide these all files in the description of this YouTube video so that you can use. But I suggest to you, you can find your own file, so that way you will also understand how to download the videos also and convert it into the MP3 file. So the purpose of this experiment is just to use the MP3 file. So we need only MP3 file, audio files only. So let's start. So either I can open any browser and type here something like download uh, sound effect, and I can then go to the any of the link and I have to search for each type of the effect which is given in the list. I will suggest rather than going here, because some website will ask you to make a payment, use the premium, create a premium account, sign up and all. You can simply go on YouTube and search a file and then convert it into the MP3 file. Now, this is a very simple procedure. So what you can do is, there is one link I have given. Now, these are the file, these are the effects that you have to download from the internet as an MP3 file. So I have created here a one link. So this link you can use, and you can convert this. You can use this link to convert any YouTube video into the MP3 file. So suppose I will copy here. I will go to the google.com. Simply type this URL. It will redirect to the another page. You can check. It's asking for the video of the YouTube, a URL of the YouTube video. Then you can simply click on MP3 and click on a convert. So this is a repetitive task. So let's say I want to download some of the videos from the YouTube. So what I can do is I can simply open the YouTube. I can double click and open the browser, or I guess YouTube video link is already open. Here also in the same file, I can type the URL which I copied. So side by side, I can get the URL from here and I can download it. So what I can do is simply you have to search for these files. So suppose that first effect, which is nothing but the clapping effect. Now make sure that in experiment they have given after performance clapping effect. So there could be the number of file on a YouTube. Make sure that duration of the file is very small, like 30 second or 20 second, maybe maximum 1 to 2 minutes, so that it will take less time to download. So I'll copy the first effect and I will go to the YouTube and simply I will search here. So double click and search the effect. It will show me the number of file here. So you have to search which file is has a less size. You can check there is one file which has very less size. Make sure when you're writing, when you're searching here, always use the last word as a sound. Otherwise, you will get some different results also. So when you're writing a sound word as a keyword at the end, it will show you that we are looking for sound type of the file, a sound effect of the file. So I will open this video. Let's listen to that. Yeah, so this sounds better. So what I will do is I will simply right click here and copy the link, go to the another tab, and there you can paste the link and simply click on a convert. So it will convert it into the MP3. By default, it will convert it to the MP3 only, even if you do not select any option. And after that, simply click on the download. Then it will start downloading the file. So you can check the file is downloaded here. Ignore these advertisements. It is redirecting you to the another page, but the file is downloaded here that you can use. Again, what you can do is simply you can go to the YouTube again, then select the another file effect, sound effect. Now make sure the effects which they have given. Every student may find a different file. There are a number of files of the similar types on a YouTube that you can use. Now what they're expecting, remember all these files are nothing but the background effects, right? So performance clapping effect can be used as a background also. Bus stop effect. Now bus stop sound does is nothing but, imagine that you are standing at a bus stand. What will be the sound there? A sound of the different vehicles coming and going through. The sound of the traffic could be there. The sound of the people talking could be also there. So that sound we are looking for. So you can copy this keyword and you can copy this. I will simply use the Control C and I will double click and paste it here. So I copied wrongly. I will simply remove the earlier one. It's a bus stop sound. Okay. So simply hit the enter and look for the different sounds. Now there is some sound clips having a 1 minute 10 second clip is there. Then 1 minute clip is there. You can select, you can play it. Once you find that the sound is the one which you are expecting, simply click on that sound. When the video is being played, you can copy the URL from here and paste it in a YouTube converter software. Now remember, since the file is already downloaded, there is no option here called as the view. Either you can click on refresh button or simply click on the convert next video clip. So when you click on convert next, it will ask you to paste another video. Again, click on convert. Once you convert, make sure once you convert, it will just convert the file of YouTube video into the MP3 audio. But you have to click manual again on a download. So every time you convert, you have to download that file. Again, the third effect I will check. So maybe suppose that there is children's playing on a ground. Okay, that I can use. I will simply copy this effect. I will paste it and hit the enter. A number of sounds will be there. Make sure the length of the file should be a minimum, should be a less actually. So this file I will play first. You don't have to play continuously. If you want, you can, but don't waste your time. You can simply right click in the URL, because whenever the video is played, the current video files URL is visible here. So I can simply go back to the converter option. Again, click on the convert next. So paste your URL here, click on convert and then download. So similarly, you can download the number of files here. Now, make sure that when you're downloading, the size should be the lesser, because there is no point in downloading the file of the 2 hours, 3 hours. When you have the less file, it will take the less time, a minimum time to download on your system. And then you can open all the files, okay, from this your folder. Now, once you download, you can check I have downloaded all these files here. Now, once downloading is done, what you have to do? In the journal, you have to also mention the purpose of each sound effect. Now, here they have not mentioned here like write the purpose of the each sound effect. What they have mentioned here is in this experiment, you can check. They simply mentioned that can you explain where all such sound effects will be used. Now they have not mentioned explain individually like what is the purpose of this sound, purpose of the second and third, fourth. Generally they are asking in 5-6 lines you have to write the purpose where we can use these effects or where we can use these sound effects. So in the description you will find that I have written some explanation. You can add a few more points if you want, and you can use it as a experiment for the journal. So here you can check in the same file there are some purposes are written here. We can check. We can use these effects to apply in a video. Now, if you have the video and if you want to apply, if you have recorded some video, of course, audio file can be added in the background of the video. So the video will have the original sound, and in the background, another file will be played, audio file. So there will be a better quality of the video. Why do we need this effect again? We have to write generally. Of course, we can apply or use it for our project. We can edit it. We can use it to apply the 3D effect also. Again, all the background effect can be used in the presentation. Some of the ready-made effects are available in the PPT. We can customize. It allows you to use your own voice also in the beginning, at the end also. Again, to get the live experience of something, maybe like a stream is there, waterfall is there, ocean area is there, maybe beach is there. So that location, we can of course download the sound file which is relevant to these keywords, and you can use it. So you'll get the more quality in the video, you'll get the more quality in the audio. Original audio can be also customized using the Audacity software. So if you want to get the better quality of the sound, definitely this sound, extra sound, the background sound can help. So another thing is, of course, original sound can merge with the newly recorded sound, or this background sound that we just downloaded can be used, or we can merge it with the original sound also. So suppose that the person is standing, you are making a small simple video clip for the college presentation or for project, and there is only one person standing in a video. Now, rather than waiting for the traffic, you can simply, it's a common sense, you can simply use this effect like background traffic sound effect, and overall video will be like the person is there, and around him there is some kind of a traffic. So that can be done also. Again, apply the background effect. Of course, underwater effect you can apply, then other effects, say as the effect, some of the effect which are already given here. Maybe suppose there is only one picture in the presentation that you are using, which is a photo of a college or a school. But while showing that school as a picture in the PowerPoint presentation, you can of course play this sound in the background, like children are playing on the ground, sound effect. So there will be the more quality. So this is the purpose of this experiment. You might find this experiment funny also, because what we have to do is just to record the sound. But as I said, don't go outside and record afterwards. Maybe after the lockdown, you can record this sound by visiting the different places and try to find uh, such kind of the sound, make a list of it, download it. But right now, currently, use the same technique, download it from the internet and use it for your project. Now in a Google Classroom, I will provide a link where you can upload all your sound file. Now this is the sound file which I have provided in the description. This is for just understanding and educational purpose only. I'm expecting from everyone to upload your files, your own files, search on YouTube, uh, all the files, convert it into the MP3 file and then upload it. I'm recommending to find it on YouTube and convert it into the MP3, because of you will automatically understand how we can convert any video file into the sound file. So this is the logic of this experiment. So I will stop recording and I will share this link in a classroom. And in the description of this YouTube video, you will find this procedure, also the purpose which I have written here, uh, of applying the sound effects, and all these sound clips will be available in the description. You can click on it and you can download it for educational purpose. So I will stop recording video.